Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GDMentor. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a professional landing page design in Figma using MonsterONE's ready-made templates. I'll guide you step by step, from choosing the template to customizing it and preparing the final design. So, let's get started. As soon as you visit the MonsterONE website, you'll see an interface like this. Since I've already logged into my account, the interface may look a little different for me. But let's take a quick look at what this website offers. Here, you'll find a wide range of categories including plugins, graphics, presentation templates, audio, 3D assets, and much more. I'll show you exactly how you can download a template for yourself. So first, I'll head over to the graphics section and then open UI Elements to see what's available here. You can find plenty of templates for different needs, like Shopify themes, for e-commerce websites, portfolio websites, digital agency sites, and even entertainment websites. I've selected 3 templates from here. This first one is my favorite. I'll be using it inside Figma to customize and design my own layout. The second and third ones are also portfolio templates. And I got all 3 directly from MonsterONE. Now, let's customize them. But before that, let's take a look at their pricing plans so you understand how they work. They have 3 plans available, but the recommended one is definitely the best choice. If you decide to get it, you can use my discount code GDMentor in capital letters to get an extra 10% off. This plan gives you 1-year access with unlimited projects and downloads, which means you can download as many templates as you like every single day. Currently, there are over 48,000 plus templates available. That's a huge library for designers. Now, let's search for something like e-commerce website. And as you can see, there are tons of professional templates ready to use. You can simply click the Details button and download any template you like. I'll go with this one. I really like its layout. And let's download it now. The download finishes in just a few seconds. Now let's move to Figma to import it. I'll rename the file to Portfolio Website and create a new folder called Website Design Templates to keep things organized. Opening Figma, I'll import the file. And there we go. The template has successfully loaded. As you can see, it's a ready-made design that already includes typography, icons, components, and a full. Alright, now let's move on to the design part. Here we have 2 pages, an About Us page and a Services page. In this video, we'll only be customizing the About Us section according to our needs. First, I'll edit the Hero section. And then I'll update the text in the header, changing About Me to About Us, and Contact Me to Contact Us. After that, I'll quickly adjust the remaining sections as well. It's actually super easy. I've already designed most of it, so I'll just paste and replace the updated content to save time. I'll speed this part up since these are simple steps you can easily do yourself too. Lastly, I customized the footer section to match the overall theme. Now look at the result. Clean, minimal, and modern. You can clearly see how much better it looks compared to the original template. So, this is how you can use MonsterONE's ready-made templates to design stunning websites easily. I personally use MonsterONE because it saves time and gives me access to a huge variety of creative resources. Don't miss out. Click the MonsterONE link in the video description. Use my discount code GDMentor and start creating your own professional website today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.